Today is December 31, 2012. We are lucky that we are here with Barotac Nuevos Pride, that is Chiqui Calidong. Mr. Ike Buensuceso.
Hello.
Freelance media man, going to do this interview with our pride. Today is also the Thanksgiving Day for the Calidong family, by King being one of the pillars of this town. Mr. Ike Buensuceso, you now have the floor.
Nice meeting you, Mr. Chiqui Calidong. For the information of everyone, Mr. Chiqui is Mr. Football Philippines, and a member, captain of the Ascas football team, and a Globe Telecom Sports Ambassador. And to top it all, lately, he bagged as one of the TOIM awardees. And TOIM means 10 Assembly Men. A very prestigious award. So I have this question for my idol, Mr. Chiqui Calidong, actually my nephew, because his father, Taipaking, and me are very close. Number one question, Mr. Chiqui. Football has been very good to you. Please tell us how good football is to you.
For me, football is a passion. It's mana-mana. Football. Or, yun nga, sabi, sa Barotac, like, yung neighbor mo, yung kababata mo, it's like, yung football, lahat larong football lang sa Barotac. Kahit saan ka pumunta, like, kahit saan barangay. Football for me is very important. Like, pagdating mo sa pag-aaral mo, nagamit mo siya in scholarship. No? And, yun, tapos football for me, yung, kumbaga, marami siyang matutulungan. Yung pagiging friendly mo, magiging in and out, inside the field, outside the field. Ano yung ma-share mo sa mga teammates mo. So, football mo naman sa football is lang. Pag nag-roll yung light mo, gano'n rin yung pag-roll ng bola.
Well said. So, number two question to Chiqui is that there are so many talks about your limited playing time. For me as a sportsman, I'm also questioning the coaching staff. Why did they do so? What can you say or comment about that instance?
Sa akin, wala naman akong doon, sinasabi na hinanakit noon. Siguro, sa game plan. Sa game plan, sa team. So, I do respect what their decision is. Yung mga decision ng staff, yung decision ng mga sa management. So, I respect them kung kumbaga strategy. So, sometimes the opponent is helping the team plays, no? So, and me, I accept. Yeah, I do wrong that first game on that time. That's why I play on the second half, on the last 15 minutes against it. So, sabi ko sa sarili ko, if I go in the second half, kahit na mga 20 minutes, so, gagawin ko lahat. Hindi ako, kumbaga, nagsasama ng loob na, like, 20 minutes wala ka nang magagawa. So, sa football, every second, may maraming nangyayari. Diba? So, kung ano yung mga nakikita nila, ano yung nasasabi nila. So, wala tayo may opinion sa mga ganyang bagay.
Very well said from a humble person. I think people with that attitude, you will really go places. As now, you are going places already. Who among the Barotacnos can become a Globe Telecom, a giant corporation owned by the premier family to Ayala, and they choose you as Globe Sports Ambassador. Can you somehow unveil some of your plans on this and programs just an informal announcement, if you will.
For me, yep, siyempre, hindi madali magiging ambassador ka ng isang big company like Globe, Ayala Corporation. So, para sa akin, an opportunity, kumbaga, it's an honor na magiging kabahagi nila, na kinuha nila ako. So, nakita naman nila siguro yung paano ako nagiging ganito, kung ano yung pinapakita ko sa bayan. So, babalikan ko kung ano yung mga ano nila sa akin, na offer nila sa akin, kung ano yung pagiging brand ambassador ng pangalan nila. So, sa tingin ko, marami pa akong gagawin para may contribute ko para sa company nila, sa stores, like sa Globe Ambassador ka. Siyempre, marami kang plano para ano yung maitulong mo sa community. So, siyempre, para sa akin, kung bibigyan na, may mga hinahanda na ako next year na mga game plan sa mga tournaments or clinics, so all over the Philippines. So, siyempre, unahin ko yung Visayas. So, mas maganda yun. At yun lang yung mga development siguro ko, pero mas marami pa ba yun.
Very good. That's very good news from the sports ambassador himself. So folks in Visayas expect some sports activities coming from safety. So you sound very a person who will go a long way, safety. I tell you. And are you aware that this coming January you are going to receive the most prestigious award, the Toyn Award? What are your impressions about being selected as Toyn Award? I mean, what can you say about
Toyn Award, hindi ako makapaniwala na makabilang ako sa top 10 Toyn Award, no? So, sabi yung tinawagan ako na mag-try ako sa EYM. So, sabi ko, I'll try my best kung ano yung...
May I jump in on that scene? By the way, this is Captain Carlos Lydia Dongor, Master Mariner, no? We are doing this interview with Soto Ike. Being a former member of the JCs, and the JCs, by the way, is behind this TOYM.
Yep.
Persons, very well-known persons like JC Senator Ruby Catalampunan, Chiefy, we are inviting you to join the organization upon the revival of the JCs in Barotac Nuevo. That's the Tamasak JCs. What can you say about this?
It's an honor. And, malaking bagay yan para sa akin. Yep, I'm a member of Junior JCs before sa Barotac Nuevo chapter. So, yun lang, nawala ko sa Barotac siyempre, nawala ko yung JCs. So, kung ibabalik ka, siyempre, masaya ako doon. At I'm so thankful na behind yung sino yung mga nasa likod ng organization na yun. Nandito lahat, yung nakikita mo yung tulungan, di ba? So, kung ano man yung award na to, napakalaking bagay ito para sa akin. It's the first time in Barotac, no, na nakuha ng Toyn Award. So, sabi na nila na hindi daw basta-basta. Pero, siyempre, isa para sa akin, I'm so blessed lang. Kung ano yung pinapakita ko sa lahat, so, binabalikan ako.
Actually, this first time in the whole of 20 years, nobody can get so, for that, my personal admiration, saludo ako sa iyo, Chiefy, and may God bless you because you're a very good person. And to end this interview, would you like finally to say something about Barotac and to Anito about your family,
yun nga, sabi nila, there's no place like home, diba?
Paiyak naman ako.
Diba? Kung saan ka nang galing, babalik.
We may go to greener pastures out of the country, but we still go.
Hindi ako nag-iisip na iiwan ko yung Barotac. That's why I'm always trying na makapagbigay ako ng pangalan sa Barotac. I'm always do my best kung ano yung natutunan ko before in my coaches in Barotac Nuevo. So kung ano yung nakukuha ko sa kanila before. So pinipilit ko yun para sa kanila. So kung saan ako nanggaling, saan ako tumipa, saan ako natuto mag-ikot mo, nandito ako sa Barotac. Walang makapagtigil, walang makapagsabi na ang Barotac Nuevo na hindi dapat na magiging football capital. Dapat na magiging football capital. So, I'm so glad and so happy na galing ako dito. And yung lahat ng tao, lahat ng kahit bata, pag nakikita mo, so kung ano yung nandaraanan mo before, so nakikita ko sa kanila na Barotac will rise up na magiging tataas pa.
And I'd like to add something about this Barotac Nuevo being the football capital of the Philippines. I would like the rest of the country to be aware that we Barotacnons have loved football for the past 100 years or so. So hindi basta-basta makuha sa amin yun. I'm sorry, but this is fact. Okay?
So, what can you say to your father and mother?
Siyempre, yan yung nagbigay sa akin ng buhay kung ilang taon na ako ngayon, di ba? So, masaya ako na nandito kami lahat kami na magkakapatid, lahat ng mga pamangkin, brother-in-law, sister-in-laws. So, masaya ako na nagdidiriwang kami sa bagong taon. So, especially mga friends, relatives na nandito sa celebration. So, salamat and basta hanggang may pagkakataon pang makapagbigay ako ng karangalan sa Barotac Nuevo, sisikapin ko at palaging mabigyan ko ng pangalan yung town ko.
There you go, folks.
Okay.
The pride of Barotac Nuevo, Mr. Simply Calixto, live interview in the residence of Barotac Nuevo. So thank you very much, Secretary, for the opportunity.
Okay. To God be the glory, and to Barotac Nuevo be the fame in football. This is Captain Carlos Guidia Dongor, with Toto Ike, with Suceso, with this very special interview with Titi Caligdong, TOYM awardee 2012. Thank you very much. Mabuhay ang Barotac Nuevo. Sipa Barotac!